In OneHash CRM, we can have all our leads captured in the lead doc type. We have various applicable filters, in which all the statuses are specified according to the system. Before proceeding with the leads, firstly we have to talk about how we can generate leads and get them inserted into OneHash CRM from various sources. Leads can be captured from various sources, primarily from the website, email campaigns, and landing pages, all of which are supported by OneHash CRM. If it is from Facebook campaigns, you can directly integrate your Facebook forms with OneHash. You can just go to the Facebook settings, connect your Facebook account, select the relevant page that you want to connect to, and give you desired permissions. Once it is done, it will show you all the available forms. You can fetch all the forms available on that page and map all the fields available on the forms in the lead doc type. Hence, once we have added all these fields, we will have all the details available. Once we subscribe, leads will start coming from Facebook via this form. Other available options are creating web form pages, web pages. All of these are available under the website module. How can we create a web form? So web form is a form that has been created to capture the data for any doc type. Once you fill the title, this route gets generated, and you can change it according to your convenience. If I want to just lead, so it is possible. Then we will define the doc type. If we want to insert it under lead, we will select lead. The module is automatically selected here. It is CRM. Once you publish it, it will be visible and accessible to the users. We have an option to choose whether we want to embed this form onto our website. We can simply add this iframe to our website. So we need to add this code to the page where we want to show this form, and this form will be visible. We have these other configurations as well. To stop the spamming, you can add a CAPTCHA. We can get the CAPTCHA site key from Google, making it a secure web form. Then we can define the introduction, the title, or the description we want to show onto the web form. We can select the required fields like the organization name that we want to add if we want to capture the email, or we want to capture the form. All the fields that we want to show on the web form can be selected. So accordingly, this data will be auto-coagulated. In case we want to add some validations or custom API calls, that can be done in the client script. We can add the required CSS to design the form. After submission, what should be the label? Let's see, I wanted to set it as a register. I can add that. For a success message, we can add the success message here. We can set all these details, and they will be visible in the web form. Once we publish and save it, lead generation will start. The description and title will be shown here. Whenever a user is coming, they can type their details here, and we can save it. So all the details will be automatically received. So we can view these web forms to generate leads, create our landing pages, design these complete pages, embed these forms into our website, and we can use the rest of the API to insert the leads from our other sources. Like if we talk about Facebook, we can connect with the Facebook login forms or other social media campaigns like Google Ads. We need to provide a landing page URL and add it to the form. Users can come directly into this page and fill it out, and we will get this data in terms of lead. Whenever we view leads, this data will be visible to us. All the required details, all the necessary details we can add. So, this way we can generate the lead. Once leads are generated, and we have raw data of contacts, we can go campaigning on those. We can do that. If we talk about the campaigns, we have the option of email campaigns, or we can send the newsletter. Coming to the campaign, we can create our new campaign, let's say for lead generation. This is a campaign that we have scheduled for September. On what all emails we have to send it, we have a defined template stating what all emails should be sent and after how many days it should be sent. So now we want to set up an email campaign. In a campaign, we can define the schedule of what all email templates should be sent and when these should be sent. Now we schedule this for to whom it should be sent. We can send it to a particular contact or lead, or you can set it for a group of emails as well. Once we select the group, we can select the start date, and then it will start sending emails to these two users. Once we click on Save, its status changes to in progress. These status automatically get updated according to the activity that is happening to this campaign. All the emails that are being sent for this campaign can be seen, so all emails that are sent will be visible. We can schedule the campaigns also. On campaigns, we have another option for social media posting as well. On the campaign, we have another option of having the social media post scheduled. We can select the time, and we can directly share it on Twitter or LinkedIn. If we're posting on Twitter, what should be the tweet we should do? Or if we're posting on LinkedIn, what should be the content of the post? Or if we are adding some image, we can attach that image as well. All the leads generated from this campaign can be directly filtered out. If we view the list, we can see that the source is being filtered and the campaign that we have added. Other than this, for email marketing, what we can do is we can schedule the newsletters. In the newsletter, we can have the send date selected and when it needs to be sent, and we can add multiple email groups. From each email group, subscribers will be automatically selected. We can specify the subject that needs to be sent and can have the markdown template or HTML. We can preview to see the HTML content of the email. We can add unsubscribe links, web view links, published and send attachments. These are all the options we get. We can also test it. A test email will be sent. The key thing is the email that we have to test. A lead should be created with that email. In one hash, we can do the campaign, capture the leads so that we can start further client conversion and further processing. Based on the campaigns, we get some reports as well. We can get the campaign efficiency report. It shows how many leads we generated from a particular campaign. We can see these analytics in the chart form as well. We can click on Set Chart. We can select the required fields, and we can add the required matrices onto the chart format. We can preview charts. So, this way we will get the chart rendered for us. Thank you.